Hi, I'm Miltonchang of Bonsaiheirloom. I'd like to share with you our vision of what we like to provide you. They solicit your input and help us improve our plan in terms of what we offer you. What we have in mind is to share with bonsai hobbyists, both beginners and experienced bonsai hobbyists, how to overcome how to build on conventional wisdom to make bonsai, to maintain them, and to make them into masterpieces. Our objective is to kind of extrapolate what we learn from conventional wisdom, because conventional wisdom, by definition, has been proven to work. But the problem is that conventional wisdom often get passed along, kind of eventually become the wrong information. And not only that, conventional wisdom generally is applicable to a specific situation and environment, which may or may not be appropriate for yours. That's why we want to provide information on how to do bonsai, and share the insight that we learn over time by experimentation, what really works well, and tell you a little bit about the reasoning behind what we do so that you can extrapolate to your own situation. Because there's so much information that are incorrect that discourage people from keeping bonsai because they are afraid to kill the tree. And we want to overcome that to make bonsai really easy to maintain and keep, really make bonsai popular. So what will be presented is every aspect of a bonsai, making a bonsai, growing a bonsai, shaping a bonsai, keeping a bonsai, and how to easily maintain that. And it will play out chapter after chapter, and then we'll archive it in our website for your access on YouTube. The reason why we are doing it is that I have a passion for bonsai, and I think it's a good hobby to share. And to make myself mainstream as an Asian, I'm just a regular guy, nothing to like or hate about, just to be a normal person contributing to society. And bonsai is going to be my contribution to society, in addition to the technical contribution I work in the laser society community. And so our goal is to become a reliable source for bonsai information and to ultimately become a go-to for all your bonsai needs and for your gifting needs. So in terms of my credential, I have been doing bonsai for more than 50 years. I learned it from the father of American bonsai, Japanese-American John Naka, which is well known. And I did not tell I learned what he said, and I internalized it and I extrapolated by experimentation. So my method is very much respectful of the tradition, and yet I've extrapolated to something that I truly believe. So I hope you will benefit from what I do. And my history is that I was building actually 2 companies starting from scratch to IPO. And in the process, I was really working hard. For my first company, when I started bonsai, I was working 14 to 18 hours a day, 7 days a week, no vacation for 11 years. And I was going crazy. And bonsai became an extremely outlet for my sanity. That after a long, busy day of work, 15 minutes of watering, clipping, or whatever, it really relaxes me. And so I want to share this bonsai hobby for you. But in the process of doing that, I come up with time-saving methods, what I might be called the lifestyle bonsai technique, which is very conforming to your lifestyle, your hectic life, and that can be very therapeutic for your mental health as well. So I hope you try bonsai and take it on. And I think there's frankly no gift that you can give it to a friend that's more thoughtful. And not only that, it serves a daily reminder that it's your thoughtfulness being the giver. So with that in mind, then please stay tuned and pick up bonsai as a hobby and go to our website, learn everything you need to know about keeping bonsai. And this series will serve a useful resources for you. So please stay tuned, and again, give us your feedback so we can improve on what we do to serve your needs. So thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you and serving you. So please tune in. Well, thank you very much for watching today's video. Subscribe to our channel and tell a friend. And most importantly, go to our website and sign up to become our VIP so that we can send you announcements of special considerations. Thank you very much. See you next week.